Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video. Today I'm going to go over a watch that I just got in. And before we get started, I just want to say that if you guys like this content and you want it to keep on coming, please make sure that you do give that like and subscribe, and make sure you post any questions or comments in the comment section below. I do respond to comments. And once again, I just want to take the time to give a shout out to all my current subscribers. I'm almost at 90 subscribers now, and I just started this channel about six and a half weeks ago, so it's growing quick, and I couldn't do that without you guys. So just wanted to shout out to you guys and say thanks a lot to all my current subscribers and everybody that likes the content. So if you want it to keep on coming, just make sure you do give me that thumbs up, like, and subscribe, and I will keep this content coming to you. I am Dave the Watchman on YouTube, and I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. And today I have something that is a really good deal that I had gotten. I bought it on Shein, and it's basically supposed to be an homage to a Patek Philippe Tiffany blue watch, and really good quality build on this thing. It's got the brushed stainless on the front. The band is, really tight. It's a nice tight band. There's not a lot of play in it. It's a really nice watch. I wore it out. I actually wore it out last night. I posted a short on my channel. I had this watch on last night when I went out, and I did get a couple compliments on it. It is a very, very nice watch. It's striking. It's not too obnoxious, so it's kind of more of a subtle look, but it does have that brilliant blue reflective face that is really striking for this watch. It's not some of the watches that I typically go for. I do like more of the rounded face watches, or some of the Richard Mille type barrel shaped watches, but this one's kind of a little bit different, and it's also a lot smaller than what I typically wear. But guys, it was a really nice watch, and I did not pay a lot of money for this watch at all. It was I think somewhere in the neighborhood of $15 on Shein. Obviously, you do run the risk of receiving something that you don't like and not being able to return it on Shein. That's why I usually always recommend shopping on Amazon, because of their fabulous return policy on Prime. So what I will do is I'll try and find this same watch or a similar watch to this on Amazon, and I will post an affiliate link to the Amazon, unless you guys want to just jump on over to Shein. But just keep in mind that you'll wait a couple of weeks, but there's no returns on watches on Shein. So if you don't like it, you're kind of stuck with it. But for $15, you wear it once, you don't like it. I mean, really, for $15, you could throw it away. So I will post a link to something similar to this watch on Amazon, so you guys can jump over, and it's an affiliate link. So I would appreciate it if you do decide to buy one of these, to head on over to Amazon through that affiliate link. It does send a couple of dollars over to the channel. But other than that, I mean, it's a really nice watch. I think it's made pretty well for the price point. It looks very, very nice. It's classy. It's sharp looking. Really nice looking watch. The thing that I love the most about it is the brilliant blue in that face. It's really, really, striking, as opposed to some of the other blues that, that I have here. I mean, I do like this one here. This Olev's watch has a really nice blue, but guys, this is just, it's something really classy about this blue that really just, it really does it for me. But yeah, if, like I said before, if you guys like this content and you want it to keep on coming, just make sure you do give that like. The thumbs up really helps, and post any comments below. If there's any watches you want to see me review, just let me know. I do reviews on budget-friendly watches, because I do believe that you shouldn't have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. So you won't see the big Rolex watches here, but you will see homage watches. And I do have another Submariner homage watch, a Rolex Submariner homage, That is a really, really nice quality watch. I'll be reviewing that in the next video, so stay tuned for that. I will be posting that today. I'm also going to be reviewing these two watches as well. But overall, I'm going to have to say with this Patek Philippe homage, really, really nice. You know, you're not going to come close to anything like this for the price. It's very, very nice. It was easy to resize. It had the pins. I used my sizing tool. I sized it in under 2 minutes. Very, very nice. Everything works well on it. It's a nice watch. There's really not a lot bad I can say about it. And guys, if you like that blue, that Tiffany blue, it's just really brilliant and beautiful looking. So you will get some comments on this watch. It's a really nice watch. So like I said, I will post a link below in the description to an Amazon watch similar to this. If I can find the exact same brand, I will post that one. But if not, I'll post one similar. And if I can't find the same brand, what I'll actually do is I'll probably buy the one that I post the link to, so that way I can make sure that it's the same quality as this one. But if you do have one that you've purchased on Amazon, or you have tried one on, or you've tried one out, or you've tried one of these watches, I'd be interested to hear I'd be interested to hear what you have to say about it. So put that in the comment section below. Once again, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman. I do not review watches that are replicas or clones or anything that utilizes the name of the watch that they're trying to pay homage to. So I don't condone fakes. I don't condone clones. And if it's not a Rolex, it shouldn't say Rolex. If it's not a Richard Mille, it shouldn't say Richard Mille. So that said, the only watches that I review on this channel are homage watches that clearly state what their brand is. Like this one right here, it doesn't say Patek Philippe, but it follows their trend. Okay, this Rolex Submariner homage, it's not a Rolex, it's an Olev's. So once again, I don't condone counterfeits, I don't condone fakes, I don't condone anything illegal on my channel, but I do review budget-friendly watches for the everyman, because I believe we should all be able to have a nice watch collection, and we shouldn't have to finance our property to do so. So that said, I'm Dave the Watchman, and I will be coming at you with more watch review videos. So, like I said, if you like this content, thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Really helps out the channel. And I appreciate all my current subscribers. And thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys all have a great weekend.